Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove 3S and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Before we start, one thing to mention is that you can pair this watch with a phone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. So basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set it up without pairing it with a phone. First I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, so let's continue with the pairing. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by plugging it to a charger. Once you plug it to a charger, the watch will turn on automatically, and after it does, you probably will see the hello message, because I assume you will have the brand new device. And once you see the hello message, tap on the screen, and now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping left and right on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and as you can see now we have the option called Pair Now. If you want to pair your watch with a phone, tap on it and the watch will enter the pairing mode. That's how it looks like. Now we need to go to our phone and we need to make sure that we have the Bluetooth enabled and internet connection. Once we do, open the Play Store, tap on search and type in Garmin Connect. And once you type it in and tap on search, you should see this application on the list, Garmin Connect by Garmin. Tap on the install button to install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. And the app you will need to log in into a Garmin Connect account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account button right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in. Check the box right here, then tap on the next button. And now we need to log in, so give me a couple of seconds. And after you log in, you will see probably the pop-up about the permissions, like this one. If you see it, tap on allow access and tap on allow. And then the app should search for the nearby devices automatically. And if it does, it should detect your watch. As you can see, it did detect our watch. You can tap on connected. Enter the code from the watch. Tap on pair. If you see this pop up, that means that the device is connected to another Garmin account. I'm gonna tap on reset this device and unlink it. And let's wait until it's complete. Okay, now we can tap on next. Here we can set up a bedtime. This is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. So basically mute notifications while you're sleeping. And you can set up the bedtime by tapping on the box under the bedtime, so the time on which you go to bed. And then you can tap on the wake time, so the time on which you wake up. And once you're done setting it up, you can tap on next and tap on yes if you want to turn on the do not disturb mode, and no if you want to keep it disabled. Now select the preferred wrist, tap next, and here we can select preferred watch face basically. So select the one you like. And once you're done, tap on next. Here we can set up goals, so something like goals for steps, I believe liquid taken and stuff like that. If you want to keep the default goals, tap on keep default goals. If you want to edit the goals, tap on edit goals. And here you can adjust the goals to your liking. You can select custom, auto. You can adjust the values by just entering them. And once you're done adjusting it, tap on next. And as you can see, we are being asked to allow location permission. This is useful for a couple of features like weather data, local weather data, the tracking of the activities on the map. So for example, if you're running or cycling, it will track the route on the map, and I believe other features that use location. So if you want to use any of these things, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and skip this step. If you tap on allow, you will need to tap on permissions, find the location, and tap on allow only while using the app or allow all the time. If you select allow only while using the app, I believe the app will bother you to allow it for all the time. So select one of those and hopefully it won't bother you, but I believe it will. Okay, let's go back. Next we have the calendar access. This is useful if you want to manage, see, and stuff like that. Manage, see, and access the events on your calendar, on your watch. And if you want to use any of these features, you can tap on allow calendar access. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it skipped, or disabled rather. Next we have the call log access. This is useful for the notifications for the phone calls and stuff like that. If you want to use notifications for phone calls and stuff, you need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can keep it denied by tapping on skip. Same for the phone call access. Then the messages. And once you're done with the permissions, you will see the sync now button. Tap on it. Then tap on finish. Here we have a tutorial how to use our watch. I'm just gonna tap on skip to skip this, but you can go through it by tapping on next and then tap on finish. And at this point you should see the home page of the Garmin Connect application. Now you can tap on more, scroll down and tap on Garmin devices. And you should see your Vivomove 3S on the list of devices. You can tap on it to open the device page for it. Okay, so that's how you pair the watch through the setup process. Now I'm gonna disconnect it from our phone. Remove device. Go to the Bluetooth settings. Unpair it right here. Okay. And now we're gonna pair it through the settings. To do it, you will need to enter the pairing mode on your watch. So double tap on the screen to wake it up. Come on, skip, skip, skip. No, I don't want the Tor. Okay, so wake up the screen, then press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Once the menu opens, swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the list of options. Find this phone option with the Bluetooth icon. Tap on it. Select, I believe, this icon. Again, phone with the Bluetooth. Tap on it, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Now, download and install the Garmin Connect application, or open it if you have it installed already. I already have it installed, so I'm not gonna be re-downloading it. And once you open the app, log in, the app should start searching for the nearby devices automatically. But if it doesn't, you can tap on more, Garmin devices, and then tap on add device. And it will start searching. It should detect your watch. Tap on connected. Enter the code from the watch and basically follow the same steps as we did before. So we need to enter the code, then we need to deal with the permissions and stuff like that. Tap on next, the bedtime, the preferred wrist, the watch face, the goals, and then sync now. Then tap on finish. You can go through the tutorial if you'd like to. I'm gonna tap on skip. Come on. Okay, skip, finish, and you should see the home page. And if you tap on more Garmin devices, you will see your Vivomove 3S on the list. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.